Hey, man, did you know that proper maintenance of your golf cart batteries can extend the life of the batteries by 50%? In this video, you will learn how to maintain your golf cart batteries and understand the importance of doing so for optimal performance. A lot of customers neglect the maintenance the process of how to maintain their batteries, such as regular cleaning, checking water levels, and proper charging techniques. So let's get started. This video here, you can see the water level in here is good. Almost a little too much, but not bad. But if you look at the batteries here, you can see, open the back flap up. You can see you pick the back flap up. A lot of people don't know that. You pick it up, and that's how you clean your battery. And you can tell these batteries here are pretty clean, except for that one. But back here, under the flap, you have corrosion. Corrosion means bad connection, means it pulls heat. Therefore, your battery won't last as long and you won't get as much mileage. Now let's see how the water level looks in these batteries. All right, they look good. But these batteries here are 3 years old and they're already bad. Rocket, 3 years old, that's not good. That's why we use Trojan or use US's. So what you want to do in this case, man, is take your water hose and spray your batteries from this side of the car. You want to spray that way. That way you don't spray nothing on your controller over here or your solenoid down there. That's how you want to do it. Now, the way you want to charge your batteries is in the wintertime when you don't use it, because now it's beginning to get the summertime again. It's getting to the springtime. In the wintertime, we're not using the car. You want to go out there once a month, unplug your charger, and plug it back in. Therefore, it charges it back up and keeps it topped off. But all right, man, now we're about to change them out because it has three bad batteries because of maintenance issues. And if you look at this battery right here, you can see, it's hard to see by camera, but another way to tell a bad battery is swollen. The camera don't do it justice, you can't see it. But the positive post is swollen because the batteries were dry at one point and they cooked them. So therefore it gets the batteries hot and swells the case. But I just wanted to show you, man, number one rule of battery longevity is maintain your water. Number two, clean your batteries off. Get rid of this corrosion. Because if you put too much water in them, this is what happens. All right? That's why I say adding water is number one. And then number three, make sure you want to charge them up on a timely basis when not being used. All right? And then one last thing, once every couple months, you can buy using battery terminal protector and coat your batteries. All right, all you do is take it. And remember what I said now on my other videos, you have that connection right there. You want to coat that too because that's where the wire meets the open wire or for anything of corrosion. You're trying to stop that. If you found this video helpful, man, be sure to check out my other videos on golf cart care and golf cart troubleshooting. And leave your thoughts and comments below, man. Let me know what you do to prevent maintenance. How often do you water your batteries? How often do you charge them? Just leave it below. Let me know how y'all maintain yours. That way other viewers can read your comments and just learn how to maintain theirs just like you did yours. If you don't want to maintain batteries, what do? You go to lithium. But always remember one thing, man. Hey.